Yeah, I don't know, 1 second. There's something that's not quite right with my belts.
Are you okay to drive?
Compromise the LF here. Yeah, I just need to tighten them more.
Okay, Gasly's behind you.
I don't know, they're not
2 seconds.
sitting on my shoulders properly. I don't know why my shoulder's like sticking on something when I'm turning.
Copy.
I don't know what this AlphaTauri is doing.
Alright.
Pick a side of the track and stay there.
Target is in the 45.
Yeah, well, when I'm coming from 3 seconds off, I can't make a big jump. There's always something disrupting the run plan.